In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get Spotify Premium for free. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now, in the search box, type in Spotify free trial and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one. Try 1 month of premium individual for $0. Click on that. Now you'll be directed to the official website of it. Now over here you're gonna find this section. Get started, click on that. Now you'll be prompted to log into your account. So go ahead and provide your account credentials and log into your account. After logging in, choose a plan. Most of you can select the individual plan. Now, even though the trial is free, Spotify will ask you to enter your payment method like a debit card, credit card, or PayPal. Don't worry, you won't be charged right away. Just enter your details and continue. Once you complete that step, your Spotify Premium will be activated and you can enjoy all the premium features for 30 days, including no ads, unlimited skips, offline downloads, high quality audio, and full control over your music. One important thing to remember is that after the 1 month trial ends, Spotify will automatically charge you for the next month. So if you don't want to pay, make sure you cancel before the 30 days are over. A good tip is to set a reminder on your phone so you don't forget, and that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.